User-friendly control. In the ZW3D 2019, many improvements are made for ease of use, such as clear rules of 2x Toolpath, optimized Toolpath Verify, and Tool Manager. Unified 2x Toolpath Type. This is the unified classification for toolpath type from 2x to 5x machining. The link types of 2x toolpath are clear. There are 3 link types, including inside regions, between layers, between regions, which can reduce machining time greatly. For example, modify the between layers, then calculate. Look, the blade lift knife is between the layers. Optimized Verify. In this new version, Enhanced Toolpath Verify function provides a better experience and more efficient options. The tool color can be customized, and the tool can be displayed in wireframe mode. The tool holder can be supported. Different types of toolpaths can be displayed independently. Several different display modes of the toolpath are provided. Toolpath Verify is easier to use. 2x Profile feature only supports part. In ZW3D 2019, the 2-axis process no longer supports the Contain type of contour features to generate the toolpath, only provides part type. We hide the toolpath and change the view to check the hole characteristics. Hole feature supports sorting and hole numbers. Check this hole feature. You will find all hole features are sorted from small to large, and the number of holes is listed together. These improvements help users to quickly view drilling information and inspect drilling holes. 2x Profile and chamfer operation improvement. Look at the toolpath of the profile process and the chamfer process. Check the parameters. You can find machining side option is optimized. If you change it to right outside option and calculate. Look, the toolpath is changed from inside to outside. This clear rule helps users easily judge the machining direction. Check the chamfer feature. The similar improvement is available. Modify the direction of the chamfer, such as the left side. Calculate it to get the correct toolpath. Tool Manager Enhancement. Another improvement is Optimized Tool Manager. You can see a more concise interface. Set the tool ID to 10. Then, you can see that the D&H value automatically inherits the tool ID. In this new version, the tool ID supports numbers and letters, and D&H value can be changed manually if required. Next, output a CL to see what changes. New tool information is applied. New icons for operation in CAM tree. As you can see, in ZW3D 2019, a new toolpath status icon is added to the navigator. It is easier for the user to view the status of the toolpath. Upgrade custom CL form. Last, let's look at the changes in the custom CL form. The interface is clearer and friendlier. With above improvements, ZW3D 2019 makes great improvements on the usability of CAM module for a better experience.